Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mga kapatid, ngayon tatalakayin ko ang kontradiksyunis sa Biblia. Ngayon ay October 22, 2025. Ang dami ko nang nabanggit ng mga contradiction, pero itong contradiction na ito ngayon ko lang ito matakal. Ito ay mabasa natin ito sa Hebrews chapter 2 verse 9, which says, "But we see Jesus who was made a little lower than the angels." Little lower than the angels. Who? Jesus. Okay? Diyan mabasa sa Hebrews chapter 2 verse 9 that Jesus Christ made by God a little lower than the angel. Imagine, if Jesus Christ is God, He was made by God. Made lower. Katawa-tawa itong klase ng Diyos eh. Made lower. Okay. Dito naman sa Hebrews chapter 1 verse 4. Nagsabi dito, "As much superior to angels as the name he has inherited is more excellent than theirs." Jesus. Si Jesus daw, as much as superior to angels, as the name he has inherited is more excellent than theirs. Si Jesucristo daw, much superior to angels. Okay. Kanina, made little lower than the angel. Hebrews chapter 1 verse 6. I quote, "And again when God brings His firstborn into the world, He says, 'Let all God's angels worship Him.'" May komentary dito. It says, this verse commands angels to worship Jesus, showing their subordinate role. Ang tanong mga kapatid, saan talaga ang tama? Si Jesucristo ba little lower than the angels? Or much superior to the angels? Grabe. Kamu nang bahala dyan mga kapatid. Windang-windang. Alis na kayo dyan. Nako. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.